Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to create a cinematic title slide design for your presentation. This will give your PowerPoint presentation a stunning professional edge. Let's start the video. Select rectangle shape, drag it. Right click, select edit points, click here and grab this white point and drag it in. Grab this point and drag it out. Now select the text box, type your title and center it on the slide. Use a bold font like Showcard Gothic for a cinematic look and increase the size of the text. Select a rounded rectangle, drag it. Drag the yellow dot to the left side. Right click, go to Format Shape, click on Fill and increase transparency. Duplicate the shape and adjust it inside the shape. Select both, go to Format, go to Merge Shape and select Subtract. Shape outline, make it no outline. Select this and text box, go to Merge Shape, select Combine. Also select this and this, go to Merge Shape, select Combine. Go to Insert tab and click on Video. Select this device. Choose a high quality cinematic video that matches the theme of your presentation. Use a royalty free video website like Pixel for a high quality background. Right click Send to Back. Then go to Playback tab and set the video to play automatically and loop if necessary. Go to Format and change the color from Shape Fill. Now click on Slideshow. And that's it. You have created a cinematic title slide that will captivate your audience and set the tone for your presentation. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more awesome PowerPoint tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Thank you.